In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your map sensor on your Mini Cooper. It's located under the hood near your airbox. Remove this cover, just pull it off. Our map sensor is down here, so we're going to remove this connector. We're going to take this out of its plastic bracket, and then we're going to follow this down and take this out, and that's all just to move this out of the way. And then we're going to be able to get to the two Torx screws. We're going to use a T20 screwdriver Torx to get to those two screws and the connector. So let's disconnect this connector, push down, and remove it. We're just going to put that out of the way. We're also going to take this out of here. And now we're going to take this hose out from here and pull it out of here. And that's also just to be able to move things out of the way. I'm going to put this on the other side of the dipstick for the oil. So I'm going to follow these wires down, and right here is the connector. We're just going to pull up on that tab that's facing that way. You can't see when I get my hand in there, but there's a tab down here. You're going to pull up on it. And as you pull up, you're going to remove the connector. Just don't pull too hard because you will break it. So I'll just show you now. So you're going to pull up on this and pull it out at the same time. Now all that's left is the two Torx screws. You're going to use a T20 and you're going to loosen them up. I'm going to leave my screws in and pull out the whole assembly. So get in there with your needle nose and give it a good wiggle and remove it. Transfer over your two screws, and now we're going to put it in. I'm going to put it in the same way I took it out with needle nose. Makes it much easier. Set it down, make sure it's pushed in, and you can use your needle nose to do that. And now we're going to get our Torx screwdriver and get these bolts going. I would go a little bit on this side and then go to this side and make sure all of these are started. These two are started. And then you can tighten it down. These really just need to be wrist tight. Now we're going to plug in our connector. I'm going to line it up like that and push it in. Make sure you hear that click. Now we're going to connect our connector over here by our air box. Slide it on. Make sure you hear that click. We're going to put this back in its holder. And now we're going to follow this hose. We're going to put it back over the dipstick and connect that there. Follow it down and push that back in the bracket. Just slides onto the rail and stays there.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.